Welcome students. So in this question, you're asked to find the sum of 10 power 9 plus 2 times 11 into 10 power 8 plus 3 times 11 square into 10 power 7, so on up to 10 times 11 power 9. So you're asked to find the sum of this. And it's given as this is equal to k times 10 power 9. You're asked to find the value of k. So now to do this question, we use the concept of AGP. So we know that if you have an AGP where you have A plus D times R plus A plus 2D times R square plus so on A plus N minus 1 times D power into R power N minus 1. If you have the sum of n terms of an AGP with the properties of AP being A and D and the properties of GP being 1 and R. So the sum of n terms of an AGP has this formula. You must be familiar with this formula. So now what is the relation between this and this? Now if you observe carefully, this can be converted into an AGP. The sum of these terms, so these terms Sn is equal to, if I take 10 power n as common, 10 power 9 as common, the sequence becomes 1 plus 2 times 11 by 10. So if I take 10 power 9 as common, this becomes 11 by 10 plus 3 times 11 by 10 whole square plus so on plus 10 times 11 by 10 whole power 9. Now the first term of an AP is 1 and the common difference is 1 because the AP is going 1, 2, 3 up to 10. And the first term of the GP is 1 and the common ratio is 11 by 10. Right? So this is equal to 10 power 9 times. So how many terms are there in the sequence? There are 10 terms, right? Because the first term has 1, 2, 3, so on up to 10. There are 10 terms. So n is equal to 10. So what is the sum of this? A by 1 minus R. So let me write the properties. A is equal to 1, D is equal to 1 for the AP. And R is equal to R is equal to 11 by 10 for GP. And n is equal to 10. Number of terms is 10. So now if you apply this formula, A by 1 minus R, 1 by 1 minus 11 by 10, A by 1 minus R, plus D into R, that is 11 by 10, 1 into 11 by 10 dr into 1 minus R power n minus 1. R is 11 by 10, whole power n minus 1 is 9 by 1 minus 11 by 10 whole square minus of A plus n minus 1 into D, 1 plus 9 times D is 1 plus 9 times 1 is 10 times 11 by 10 whole power 10 by 1 minus 11 by 10. That is equal to 10 power 9 times. So this 10 power 9 is the number that is taken outside. So whatever is this number, whatever is the number in the bracket, that is nothing but the value of k. So you have, this is minus 1 by 10. So this becomes minus 10 if you take it to the LCM. So plus, so this is 11 by 10 times 10 power 9 minus 11 power 9, 10 power 9 minus 11 power 9 divided by 10 power 9 minus 11 power 9 divided by 10 power 9. 10 minus 11 minus 1 by 10 square. So minus 1 by 10 square, you have 10 power 9 and 10 square you have 10 power 7, the denominator. Minus, so you have 10 times 11 power 10, 11 power 10 divided by minus 1 by 10. You have minus 1 by 10, so this becomes 1 by 10 power. So 10 power 10 by 10 is 10 power 9. So that is equal to 10 power 9 times minus 10 plus. So 11 into 10 power 9 by 10 power 8, that is 110 minus 11 power 10 by 10 power 8, 11 power 10 by 10 power 8 plus this 10 power 8 plus 11 power 10 by 10 power 8. So this term and this term gets cancelled. So minus 10 plus 110 is 100. So 10 power 9 times 100 is the answer. Hence K is equal to C is the right answer. Thank you.